Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error code 533, right? So as you can see here, right now I'm in the Roblox dashboard, and basically on the top right side corner, you can see the setting icon, right? So you have to click on the setting icon, and then there will be a lot of options. Then just go to the settings, and after that it will load, and here basically you will come into the settings of Roblox. So here on the left side you will see a lot of points. So just go to the privacy, and here this is very important. You have to basically just scroll a little bit down, and this is just, you can see here that who can make me a member of the private server, right? You can just read it, and here it will be by default by friends, so you have to click on everyone, right? And here you can see save successfully, and you have to do the same thing here, and you have to select everyone, right? And after that, if you want, this will fix your problem, but if it doesn't, then just delete the app data, and this is it. Just restart your PC or laptop, and this will definitely fix your problem. So if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.